So today we are making this delicious Nutella French Toast. Yummy! First, grab your sandwich bread, cut the edges off, and roll it up with your rolling pin. Next, spread your Nutella or any spread of your choice and roll this up. Once this is done, crack 2 eggs, add 2 tablespoons of milk. If you need more, definitely add more. For flavor, I add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Beat this real good and dip all your rolled up bread. Make sure that it is evenly coated. Next, melt a tablespoon of butter and fry your bread. You will repeat this step until all your bread is fried. Flip it and make sure that it is golden brown. Next, pour 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Mix this up and roll all your French toast. You can top this up with some powdered sugar, and this is totally optional, and serve with your favorite fruit. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you loved it. If you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get alerts anytime I post a new video. I'll see you next time. Bye.